The stats and data are clear. The audiobook industry is continuing to grow at a tremendous rate. But why should you narrate your own audiobooks instead of outsourcing it to a narrator? There are several reasons for narrating your own book, many of which I'm sure you already know about. However, I will touch on a few here. If you are a self-publisher, there is a tremendous value in narrating your own books. The simple fact is, if you wrote a book, your audience wants to hear directly from you. No one can tell your story with as much passion and sincerity as you can. It's just that simple. Plus, the more that your audience gets to interact with you, the greater the chances of them starting to know, like, and trust you. This adds an entirely new dimension to your brand and will deepen the relationship you have with your audience. Thus, at the end of the day, you are building up your personal brand and making more money. On the practical side of things, there are several reasons to narrate your own books as well. If you know what you're doing, you can actually save time and money doing it yourself. Not only that, but you have more control over the finished product, so you're not left with a poorly recorded audiobook. By narrating your own books, you'll be able to get your audiobooks to the market faster, as there is no middleman to deal with. In addition to all of this, if you learn this new skill of producing audiobooks, it will open up new financial opportunities for you. And in today's world, we all could use as many opportunities as possible. Who knows? Maybe you'll actually enjoy producing audiobooks so much, you want to offer your service to other authors out there. Yet regardless of whether you choose to narrate for others or not, the point here is that you'll have the skills to actually do it if you want to. And as the audiobook industry continues to grow, you'll have the option to use your skills as an audiobook producer to financially grow as well. The audiobook industry is set to enjoy a very prosperous future. The only question is, are you going to be a part of it? And I encourage you to continue learning and growing as an audiobook narrator. I'm going to do something here that may confuse you at first, but I actually encourage you to check out my competition. Check out their books, courses, and YouTube videos, and see how it stacks up against the books and courses I put out. You may be wondering why in the world I would encourage you to check out my competition. The simple answer is because I'm confident that after reviewing some of my competition, you'll understand the value of the information I'm giving you here compared to what they offer.